Everyone, it's Danielle for Rosetta Vera. This is a Stickii Club opening of December's retro theme. Again, for those who don't know, Stickii Club is a sticker subscription service. It comes in 3 themes: cute, pop, and retro. This is the retro pack. They all come in this plastic container. The first pocket usually has the theme of the month, and this is Vintage Dress Shop. Okay. In this second pocket, you usually have a special paper clip and some flakies. So here we have a scissor paper clip that's actually really cute. So that's that. And then we have some sticker flakies here. Let me see. These are reminding me of old-fashioned patterns, but let's take them out to be sure. So, yeah, it looks like old-fashioned dress advertisements or sewing magazines. And I actually have some paper that these would probably go perfect with in the theme. So that's that. On the bottom here, we have a square sheet of stickers that are actually buttons. You'll probably see them better when I put them down on the paper. So you'll see different styles of buttons there. And then we have a post-it notepad or a little paper pad. You know, I don't even know if these are post-its. I'm assuming. Let's just say it's a paper pad. And it looks like it's like a fashioned after a little packet of buttons. In the back is usually where you'll find your larger sheets of stickers. Oh, they're really going for the theme this month. So here you see some stickers that look like lace. That's a sheet of stickers that look like lace. There is a sheet of stickers that look like scissors that are silver foil. Those are really nice. And the thing is, I really want a pair of fancy scissors like this, so this appeals to me. And they're see-through. You also have a sheet of old-fashioned lady shoes. You have a sheet of sewing notions. So you see like measuring tape, scissors, pin cushions, all of that jazz. You have a sheet of stickers of ladies in old-fashioned dresses here. And then the last sheet is a vintage style dress and vintage like clothing forms and things like this. This really stayed true to the theme of a vintage dress shop. You can't think of anything else but that when you're looking at these stickers. And this really appeals to me because I like things like this. So I'm really satisfied with this set. Here lately, I've been really enjoying the Stickii Club packs. I know like the first ones I was kind of like, I don't know. But the last couple have been really good. So I don't know if I'm going to cancel one of the themes or I'm going to keep going with all 3 themes. It's looking like I may keep going for a couple more months. So I do plan on changing the format of these videos a little bit as we go into 2019, because I think I could show the stickers a lot better. And I definitely want to be able to show you guys finished projects, because I think seeing them in a project gives you ideas, and it also helps you give me feedback of things that I could be doing with them. So tell me what you're doing with your stickers. Are you hoarding them? Are you using them in your planners? Are you using them for art projects? I'd love to know. I'm looking forward to doing a lot more creative things in 2019. I think this is going to be my last video for 2018. I'm trying to knock out a couple, even though I'm under the weather. But I really want to set things off really great in 2019. I hope you guys are enjoying what I've done so far, and I'd love your feedback of what I could do differently going into the new year. Other than that, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Have a great one.